Honolulu Tech Week is here. Innovators showing how advanced manufacturing could really transform Hawaii's future.
Now, this isn't just for engineers. Organizers say anyone curious about technology's role in our daily lives can learn something. And that is why Casey Len is out there in downtown Honolulu with more. Good morning, Casey.
Good morning from Pacific Impact Zone. I got a lot to tell you about this one, okay? We've got Team Magma here, our kids, our robotics team from Kalani High School. I've also got Micah with us from MC3 Technologies, an intern program. I want to talk about the intern program that you guys have. And then I want to talk with Kyla Lee. She's a STEM teacher from Waianae. So we've got a lot to cover here. I want to talk about the drone manufacturing certification program that you folks offer and all the awesome things you guys do out there.
Yeah, so out in Waianae, we have an electronic technician certification program. The students get 6 electronic certifications to be technicians, and from there we get them a job right off the get-go. So everyone that has a job, everyone that wants a job has a job. And so they learn on pieces like the Arduinos, and then each 4-month capstone, we have a capstone project. So last cohort we did robots, and this cohort we're actually doing drones, so they're learning how to build, design, and manufacture drones.
Okay, and so again I want to bring on Micah Cardenas with us. You've got a drone there. I want to talk about your internship and what you did this summer. You even helped small businesses a little bit as well.
Yeah, so over the summer, MC3 Technologies brought in 15 interns ranging from high school all the way to master's students. So over the past like 6-7 weeks of summer, we had these interns build projects including drones like this. This is a quadcopter. We also had a 3D printed drone and had projects including AI, software development, and ground sensors and Wi-Fi mesh networking systems. And with all these projects, they're all able to work together and they meet DoD priorities. And with this short amount of time, all these interns, they're able to, like most of them had like no experience coming into this. So
you get this real-world experience in literally job training. Mike, thank you so much. Okay, we're gonna pop over. We're gonna pop over to Katie Tatu, our folks from Team Magma, Magma Robotics. Tell me a little bit about what we have here, Katie, and just I mean what Honolulu Tech Week means to you guys to be able to participate in it.
So yeah, over here we have our 2 robotics programs that we participate in. First Tech Challenge and First Robotics Competition. So through both of these competitions, we're allowed to build metal robots and customize our own parts in order to build these robots for the competition season. So actually we get to travel with these robots to different places around the world, going all the way from Chicago to Taiwan. And the most important thing about these robots is that they're modular, so we get to break them down, and that's we learn the skills of just packing and repacking everything. And also through robotics, beyond just like the technical side of learning how to do mechanical and programming and electrical and wiring and everything, we also get to project manage different community service projects. So we go into the community, we get to teach kids how to code and just build up the next generation of learners.
Yeah, shout out to your teacher, advisor Brian out at Kalani High School. We've done stories out there with you guys and the shed, and so what an awesome opportunity that gets you set up for a career, right?
Yeah, so actually we did an interview with you in the past over at our innovation station, which is a mobile technology lab that allows us to teach teachers around the island, and it has 3D printing and laser cutting technologies that we get to share with other people around the world. So we get to learn those skills here at Team Magma and then share them with other people.
I love that. Katie, Todd, thank you guys so much. We fit a lot in there. Again, Honolulu Tech Week right here, Pacific Impact Zone. We'll send things back into the studio with Steve and Grace for now.
Yeah, Casey, you made an impression. They remember meeting you.
I did. Yes. It was, yeah, when you have to wake up at 4 a.m. to do TV, yeah, they tend to remember that. Yeah.
You're the guy that made us wake up so early. No.
Yeah.
Thanks, Casey.